everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy 3-ingredient dressing that is perfect for the holiday season. It is packed with orange and it has an absolutely zesty and delicious flavour that's perfect on your holiday salads and any festive vegetables that you're going to make. So let's get into the recipe.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
So what I'm doing is using some fresh orange juice, and I have 1/4 cup going into this container, and then I'm going to use the zest of an orange as well. The fresh zest just adds so much freshness and delicious flavour to any salad. Once you've zested your orange, then it's time for our second ingredient, which is balsamic vinegar. So the acidity from this is just going to complement the sweetness of the orange just so well. It just tastes amazing. So 2 tablespoons going in. And then the final ingredient, which adds a little bit more sweetness and rounds this off, is some maple syrup. But if you don't use maple syrup, you could also add some date syrup as well. And then just give this a stir through. I'm personally not going to use any salt with this. I just love the way all these flavours combine. But if you wanted to add some salt and maybe some pepper, I would probably suggest using some white pepper just because it has a little bit of sweetness to it, rather than the absolute punch of the black pepper, but totally up to you. And I need to have a taste of this. Oh, it just tastes so amazing. You won't believe how well these simple 3 ingredients combine to make the most delicious holiday dressing. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do and you love it as much as I do, please give this recipe a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and come over and join me in my Facebook group. I'd love to see what you put this dressing on because it tastes so good. And I want to see all your amazing photos over in Facebook, or tag me on Instagram as well. I'll leave a link to my pages down below, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Time to pour it on the salad.